Hello and welcome to beenumlearning. I am excited to introduce you to our brand new course on Oracle Process Automation, which is designed specifically for developers just like you. Are you a developer looking to enhance your automation skill? Oracle Process Automation is a powerful tool that allows you to automate workflows, streamline business processes, and integrate seamlessly with external systems. In this course, we are going to start from the absolute basics and you will learn how to set up your environment, create your first workflow, that is process application, apply the logic and manage the data, that is everything from scratch. Here is the short glimpse or the capabilities of Oracle Process Automation. Also in short, Oracle Process Automation is known as OPA, that is OPA. We are going to learn about the key capabilities of OPA in this course. That is, we are going to learn about the structured processes. Also, we will touch upon what is dynamic process at the later part of this course. We are going to focus on what is decision or creating the decision model, how to take the decision based on few conditions. Also, we are going to look how we can connect to outside apps and integrations. We are going to learn about the web forms, which is very important for human activities or human tasks. Apart from this, we are going to learn how to manage the task as well as the tracking of instances. Coming to the environment, Oracle Process Automation environment is split into development environment and the runtime environment. Development environment of OPA is known as designer and the runtime environment is known as a workspace. Coming to the designer or the development environment, so designer is used to create and edit the applications and their components. So this designer environment is used specifically by developers, not the end users. Apart from create edit, you will be able to create the versioning, manage the life cycle of the applications and even activate the new versions of applications. You can access the designer by adding the /process/designer to your OPA host. Coming to the workspace or the runtime environment of OPA, this is used to test, run, monitor and administer the applications. This environment is used by the administrators or the end users. You can access the runtime or the workspace for OPA just by appending this /process/workspace to the OPA host name. It's not necessary you have to always navigate to workspace and designer by modifying the URL. You can navigate with the help of navigation menu as well. Coming to the product types, currently there are three types of Oracle Process Automation products available, or you can provision or subscribe to those OPA instances. First and the foremost thing is you can subscribe to OPA standalone instances as a resource on OCI. So you can go to OCI and you can subscribe to the Oracle Process Automation standalone instance. Second, you will get OPA that is paired with Fusion based application, that is Oracle SaaS or known as Fusion Application Cloud. So with this, you won't have to pay again for the OPA license. It will be included as part of your Fusion HCM or CX or SCM offerings. Third thing is we can enable the OPA instance within your Oracle Integration 3. Suppose you have provisioned a Oracle Integration Gen 3 or Oracle Integration 3 instance in OCI, just you can enable the OPA like how you enable Visual Builder in Oracle Integration 3. So these are the three offerings or the product types available for Oracle Process Automation currently at the time of recording this class. So here is the brief or the overview on what we are going to cover in this course. First and the foremost thing is we will show you how to manage the application lifecycle for the process automation applications. Next, we are going to learn in depth about the structured processes. We are going to create the structured process. We are going to talk about human tasks, how we can add the human intervention in the structured process. We are going to send the notifications on the task assignment, completion, so on and so forth things. Also, we will see how to take the decisions based on some business requirement. Coming to the connectors, we will learn how to connect to integration as well as other APIs like Fusion and so on and so forth things. By the end of this course, You will have a solid understanding of how to automate processes using the OPA, and you will be ready to build and deploy efficient workflows in no time. Whether you are completely new to a process automation or just new to Oracle platform itself, this course is designed to get you up to the speed quickly with hands-on examples and practical coding exercises. Join me in this course and let's get started with building smart automated workflows which can save you time and improve efficiency. Enroll now and I will see you inside this course. Thank you once again and happy learning.